Dito sa DILG Region 5, it is our duty to promote equal opportunity and fair treatment for our stakeholders, regardless of the gender that they belong. Government, as a strong foundation of communities, is bound to address and educate the people about the Safe Spaces Act, prioritize health and wellness, celebrate women's empowerment in the workplace, provide equal economic opportunities, promote self-love and well-being, and delve into showcasing the equilibrium between professional responsibility and personal well-being.
Sa Pilipinas, ang pagtataguyod ng Gender and Development o GAD ay may matibay na batayan sa ating mga batas at polisiya. Hindi lamang ito adhikain, isa itong obligasyon. Nakasaad na mismo sa 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 2, Section 14. The state recognizes the role of women in nation building and shall ensure the fundamental equality before the law of women and men. Ibig sabihin, tungkulin ng pamahalaan na tiyakin ang pagkakapantay-pantay ng kababaihan at kalalakihan sa lahat ng aspeto. Narito pa ang ibang batas na nagpapalakas sa advokasya ng GAD. Anti-Sexual Harassment Act o RA 7877, Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act o RA 9262, Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act o RA 9208 as amended, at Safe Spaces Act RA 11313. Isa sa mahalagang probisyon ng batas na ito ay ang pagkakaroon ng GAD budget.
The 120 LGUs in Bicol region are consistently complying with the requirements, and they have allocated the required percentage for the gender and development programs, projects, and activities.
At least 5% of our annual budget is allocated for gender and development concerns. In the previous years, we are able to ensure the inclusion of appropriate budget for gender and development. So, makikita nyo in the past, yung ating effort on the part of the DILG, nagresulta siya o nagkaroon na siya ng vast improvement sa ating mga outcome.
We make sure annually we celebrate the Women's Month, and we do devote resources para ma-highlight natin yung celebration ng Women's Month.
We line up several activities, the highlight of which is the Women's Fair, wherein we empower local women vendors and even the sellers that are employed in our department. Pampering session for all the employees. We invite Ivgate Academy to perform massage, mani-pedi for our employees for one day. And this year, we have an added activity, which is the mural painting. GAD is very much alive in DILG Region 5. In fact, we have a reconstituted GAD focal point system headed by our regional director.
GAD is important to us because it brings us to a new level of empowerment to our employees in DILG Region 5. Example, we have a child minding facility here wherein mothers who are employees with young children can bring their children, leave them there while they are working. In the sense, freeing them from the burden of leaving them behind sa bahay.
Well, sa mga working moms, malaking tulong na pagdating sa workplace, nandun pa rin yung support facilities and support group mo ba. Kasi you continue to be a parent kahit nasa workplace ka na. So magandang nang kaka-extend ng services and support facilities yung workplace mo. It's good na may mga ganitong facilities tayo para naman ma-ease din yung burden sa mga working moms, pinagsasabay yung work at pagiging parent.
Nabalance ko naman po yung pagiging employee and a mother because of the child minding center, and convenient naman po sa amin mga mothers na working din kasi may surveillance naman makakabantay sa mga anak namin.
As a future mom, I'm confident na if ever man na isama ko sa work ang aking anak, merong child minding center na pwedeng mag-look after sa kanya and panatag ang loob ko na safe siya and nag-enjoy siya sa paglalaro.
Gusto ko lang po na i-invite kayo na gamitin ang ating facility na child minding station. Meron po tayo dito where yung anak nyo ay pwede ninyong iiwan at sigurado pong safe ang mga anak nyo. Meron silang gagawin para sa kanilang learning abilities. So, huwag po kayong mag-alala na iiwan ang bata sa child minding center natin kasi meron po tayong employee na designated na titingin sa kanila, si Ma'am Dada.
I'm Aida Tandoy from DILG Region 5. In charge po ako sa child minding dito po sa sa daycare center ng DILG. May offer ko yung sarili ko na para magbantay sa mga anak nila. At least hindi mapiperwisyo yung trabaho nila, makikita pa nila yung bata, kampante sila. Wala silang magiging problema kasi malapit lang, diba? Para ko rin naiisip na mga anak ko na rin sila na inaalagaan. Para sa akin, naalala ko yung mga anak ko kasi hindi ko talaga sila nabigyan ng full-time na pag-aalaga. Kaya binabawi ko na lang dito sa mga bata rito. Yun ang pinaka-desire ng heart ko na makatulong din sa mga magulang at sa mga bata sa daycare.
Sa lahat ng sektor, kasama ang DILG Region 5, isa puso at isa isip po natin na ang kababaihan ay kasama sa maunlad na bukas para sa bagong Pilipinas.